How to add pages. Now that we're ready to start with the development of our website, the first thing that we're going to want to do is add some pages. Now this is what the front end of the website looks like right now, which is really not much. And the first thing that you're going to probably notice is that we need to assign a menu. In order to have a menu, we need to have pages. In order to actually build a website, we need to have pages to build them on. And we need to also set where the home page is going to be. Now I'm going to quickly switch over to our PSD, the design of our website here, and you can see that these are the pages that we need to create. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. So home, about us, services, portfolio, blog, and contact us. I'm probably going to have to come back to check. Now, from here, if you go into the dashboard, there's two ways of doing this. In the left-hand panel, you can either hover over pages and you can right-click and say add new page over here, and it'll bring up this so you can put in the title and publish and get started with your pages. What I always like to do though, just to save some time, is in the top admin bar, if you hover over here, you can right click and open up a whole bunch of new pages. So let's do that because we know that we need to add a bunch anyway. So I'm going to start with that. Now let's start with the first one here. I'm going to make this home page. The template here on the right, before I click publish, I'm going to change this from the default template to blank, no container, header, and footer, like we discussed before. All right, and publish. Cool, page is published. We're not going to view it yet. We're actually going to keep going. Productivity is key. So we have an about us page, change the template, publish. Let's go back and check services, portfolio, blog, and contact us. So services page, portfolio. Now portfolio is actually going to be different. We're going to go down here to layout portfolio because it's actually a portfolio page, and publish. Then we're going to have a blog page. Now the blog page, we're actually going to leave it as the default for now. We can change that up later. And then we've got a contact us page, which we are going to make the no container, header, and footer. Now great, now that all of these are created, if you just want to have a look at the list in front of you, in the pages tab on the left, you can just click on all pages. And there they are. Now WordPress, for if you see this in front of you, always comes with the sample page built in, and you can actually just go ahead and delete that straight away because you're not going to need it. Anything else in between, don't worry about that for now. We're just going to be using these main pages, and that is step one. We're going to continue in the next video.